Hello students, I am coming with a new video that is for personal account. So here I am taking the question paper of 2018. So I am going to solve now 2018 question paper. So that is given for 5 marks. So what is the question? From the following information, prepare personal account of Sri Mukund. We need to prepare a Mukund. Now here Mukund is our customer. First we need to keep in mind Mukund is our customer, and in our books of accounts we are maintaining the Mukund account. So that is the first clear. Next one, the question first one they given here now. February 1st bought goods from Mukund rupees 4,000. So here we bought goods from Mukund. So what is the entry comes? So we bought is nothing but here purchased. So purchase means it's a expense. Okay. Now here Mukund is it comes under personal account. So here Mukund is giver or he is receiver. So here Mukund is giver. So where the entry comes, what is the entry comes per journal entry here? Purchase account debit to Mukund account credit. So here a Mukund account we should write here now. Mukund account we should write as a we should take here now Mukund account credit side. First we should write here now February 1st. Date is important here now. February 1st. We start with here now by purchase account. We should write here now by purchase account. Okay, so what is the amount given here now? Amount is given here now 4,000. So here first entry bought goods from Mukund. The journal entry is here purchase account debit to Mukund account credit. So now here Mukund account credit side we written as a by purchase account. Next one, February 6th paid him on account rupees 2,500. So here on account is nothing but, so we are paying the cash to Mukund. Initially we purchase the goods on credit basis. So here we are purchasing the goods on credit basis. So that amount we are paying now. How much you are paying here now? 2,500. So what is the entry comes? So first in business what goes out? So here cash goes out. So here cash account should be credited. Next one, so Mukund account comes under personal account. So here Mukund is receiver or he is giver here. We need to understand here now Mukund is a receiver. So here Mukund account debit to cash account credit. So here what is the entry comes here now? Mukund account debit side we should write as here now to cash account. So what is the date here? So date is 6th. We should write as here now to cash account. To cash account. What is the amount here? That is 2,500. Next one, February 12th returned goods to him. So on February 1st we purchased the goods from Mukund. Now we are returning the goods to Mukund. Means it is a purchase return. So it is called here now purchase return. So here always you treat purchase return as a income. So that's why what is the entry comes here now? So here Mukund is a receiver. So that's why Mukund account will be debited. And purchase return we are treating as an income. It should be taken as here now. This one purchase return account credit. So in debit side, Mukund account debit side, we should write February 12th, and we should write as a to purchase return account. To purchase return account. So what is the amount here now? The purchase account, purchase return account they given here now 200. So what is the entry here now? 12th is returned goods to him. Whom we returned here now? We returned to Mukund. So what is the entry comes? Mukund account debit to purchase return account credit. Next one, February 17th, sold goods to him. Whom here sold the goods here now? To Mukund. So here Mukund is a receiver or he's a giver. So here Mukund is a receiver. Then sold. So whenever the word you comes here now sold, then you should take as here now sales. Okay, so sales is a income or expense here. So here sales is a income. So what is the entry comes here now? February 17th, we should write as here now to sales account. Mukund account debit side, we should write here now to sales account, because we are selling to Mukund. What is the amount? Here amount is 800. Amount is here 800. On next entry, February 19th, returned goods by him rupees 100. Returned goods by him rupees 100. Now on 17th we sold goods to Mukund. Now he is returning the goods because of defect or damages for any other reasons. He is returning the goods. So when he is returning here now, he is returning on February 19th. Okay, so what you have to call, what you'll call this one here now? It is called as a sales return. So who is a giver here? Mukund is a giver. So what is the entry comes? Sales return account debit to Mukund account credit. We'll write as here now by sales return account, by sales return account credit side. What is the amount here? The amount is 100. By sales return account amount is 100. Next one, February 24th, Mukund paid us cash rupees 500. So here Mukund is paying to us, means in business what comes in? In business cash comes in. Okay, who now here Mukund is a giver or receiver here? So here Mukund is a giver. So his account should be credited. So I'll write February 24th. February 24th. I'll write as here now by cash account. By cash account. What is the amount here now? Amount is 500. So here amount is 500. Then last entry, February 28th, paid him cash. Whom we are paid here now? We paid cash to Mukund. So in business what goes out? In business cash goes out. Okay, so here Mukund is a receiver or giver here. So here Mukund is a receiver. So Mukund account should be debited and cash account should be credited. So last entry, that is February 28th, we'll write as here now to cash account. To cash account. What is the amount here they given? Amount is 200. What is the entry last one? Mukund account debit to cash account credit. Now we'll total the account here. So first one, debit side will total here now 2500 plus 200 plus 800 plus 200. So total is 3700. Debit side total is 3700 and credit side total is here 4600. So here credit side total is greater than debit side. So we'll take 4600 credit side. 4600 will take as here now credit side. Next one, same total will write under here now debit side 4600. 4600. Now we'll do the difference. We'll find out the difference here now. The difference will be called as here now to balance carried down. To balance carried down. Okay, we'll write here now balance amount. We'll write as here now balance amount. So 4600 minus, okay, 4600 minus 4600 minus 2500, it's a 2100, minus 200, it's a 1900, minus 800, it's a 900, minus 1100, minus 200 is remaining here now, it's a 900. So which date we should take here now? We should take the date is here now 28th. On 28th the balance is 900. Okay, after the total we should write March 1st. We'll write as here now by balance carried down, by balance brought down. Whenever you are carrying from last month to this month, we'll call as here now brought down. Okay, so so what is the total here now? The total balance is here now 900. Total balance is here now 900. Okay, so this is the 5 marks question. So every year they are going to ask for 5 marks. If you are going to solve perfectly, you are going to carry here now 5 marks. Okay, if there is any mistakes or not 2 errors, you may deducted by the marks as 1 marks, 2 marks, depend upon the how many questions you taken as a wrong. Okay, now I'm going to carry here now one more question. It is given under the 2018 question paper, that is prepare profit and loss account from the following. Prepare profit and loss account from the following here. So here they given some information, so based on that one we are going to prepare the so profit and loss account. So again it is they given, maybe sometimes they'll ask trading account, sometimes they may ask here now profit and loss account. So when you are preparing the profit and loss account, first we'll go to here now what is a gross profit. So in this question they given gross profit as here now by gross profit. Always gross profit will be taken under credit side of the profit and loss account. What is the gross profit given here now? It's a 60,000. Okay, gross profit they given here now 60,000. Gross profit they given here now 60,000. Next they given here now salaries. So salary will be always taken, it's a called as here now expense. So that is always taken under the debit side of the profit and loss account. What is the salary they given here now? It's a 15,000. Next they given here now discount. If they given discount and debit side, okay, the word mentioned here now debit, then you should take here now debit side of the profit and loss account. So sometimes it is called here now discount allowed, okay, or in trial balance it will be always given under the debit side only. So debit side, if they given debit side discount, then it should be taken under profit and loss account debit side. If they given under credit side, it will be taken under the credit side of profit and loss account. Next one, commission earned. Commission earned is nothing but it's a income. Okay, commission earned will be taken under the credit side of the profit and loss account. Credit side of the profit and loss account. So what is the amount given here now? So amount is given here now 2,600. Amount is 2,600. Next one they given here now insurance. Insurance is a expense. Insurance will be taken for the to secure the goods. Sometimes you will take the insurance. Okay, so if any chances of fire or anything, okay, to get a damage protection we are going to take the insurance. Insurance is called as here now expense. So that's why insurance will be taken under the profit and loss account debit side every time. Next one, carriage outwards. So carriage outward is nothing but where it is also called as a expense. Okay, when we sold the goods, so that time if any expenses are incurred, to deliver the goods, so that are called as here now carriage outwards. It only arises when we are selling the goods. So what is the amount here now? The amount is 1300. Next one, they given here now rent. So rent we should take under the debit side of the profit and loss account, because it is also called as a one of the expense. Okay, so rent should be rent of the factory or rent of the office administration building. So like that, if any rent we are paying, that is called as a expense. Next one, printing and stationery. It is also called as an expense. Okay, for the printouts, okay, or any stationery bought for the office purpose or comes under the expense. Okay, so printing and stationery we take under the head here. Okay, profit and loss account, debit side. What is the amount here? The amount is 1200. Next one, discount. The word mentioned here now, credit. Okay, discount they give under the credit side. So means this is nothing but discount earned or discount received. So CR stands for what here now? Discount earned or trial balance credit side they given as a discount credit. What is the amount here? It's a 1400. So it is discount received or discount earned. Next one here now, interest paid. Interest paid also it is an expense. When you taken a bank loan, so that time to repay the loan we are going to pay some interest. Okay, so that whatever interest you are going to pay, so that is also called as a business expense. Next one, traveling expenses. Okay, to sell the product, sometimes marketing executives, they are going to travel from one city to other city. So that time whatever the expenses they are incurring for traveling, so they are called as traveling expenses. Okay, so this expense is related to the business. Next one, sundry expenses. Sometimes some expenses we cannot bifurcate into a separate head. So that time will be taken under the head of here now sundry. So it is also called as here now one of the expenses, or a small expenses are taken under the head of here now sundry expenses. Now I taken all the entries here. Now based on this one here now we are going to prepare the total, or you are going to find out the what is the net profit or net loss. So first I'll do the total here, credit side. Maximum time just try first credit side total, then you go for the debit side. 60,000 plus 2,600 plus 1,400. So total is 64,000. Credit side total is here now 64,000. I'll take same amount debit side also 64,000. Now I'll write debit side as a net profit. Net profit is nothing but difference between credit side and debit side total. Okay, so credit side total is 64,000. 64,000 minus all your debit side expenses. So we are going to get the difference. Okay, now I'll use some calculation by the this one computer, this one Excel sheet, my Excel sheet here. So I'll just see here now how it calculate by itself. So this is the one of the Excel sheet main work. See now what is the net profit I got here now? Net profit is 35,000. Okay, so just I put here now 64,000 minus, so all the Excel sheet only, so it calculated automatically here now. What is the answer you got here now? 35,000. Okay, so this is also one of the 5 marks question here. I solved here now 2 questions, one for personal account, personal ledger account, second one preparation of profit and loss account. Okay, we'll meet you the next problems. Okay, so I'm going to post next problems here now in next class. Okay, see you, bye.